This recipe is actually from my mom. She used to love cooking umngqusho. It's nostalgic. I mean, whenever you have this, you just feel homely. It feels like home. Normally umngqusho is just samp and beans cooked off and then seasoned with a little bit of lard and salt and pepper. We are adding other things to it. There's onions in this, there is parmesan, there is turmeric, there's curry powders, there's herbs. Actually, there's a lot of things. You can eat it as a meal on its own, or if you like, you can actually use it as a starch. Okay, and we're going to be using these three to pop into our frying onions, but you need to soak them overnight. So they're going to cook faster. It also takes impurities out. People always say beans cause after effects afterwards. So by soaking them, you actually help that. So now we've got our beans, kidney beans, and the samp all mixed together. And you add them to your pan, no liquid, and give them a stir just to absorb all those spices. This is a liter of water. You want enough to cover the beans and samp, and you're going to let this simmer. You want a biscuit? Roll over. Oh, what a good girl. Here you go. So what we're going to do now is add about 2 tablespoons of lard. Don't be alarmed at that. That's going to make it creamier. That's a tablespoon of mixed dry herbs. Stir that in as well. This here is milk and buttermilk mixed together. Buttermilk adds a bit of a tang to it, unlike cream. Your Parmesan cheese. A pot of awesomeness. Look at that. Looks stunning, and you're gonna sleep for hours afterwards. A bowl of pure nostalgia. I remember my mom every time I make this. I remember being full for hours after playing outside and having to come eat this, and then not being able to go outside again because I'm so full. The memories.